I'm Garrett Bonfanti, and this is Matt Lockmer, and we're both here with you from Collavate. I am the UX designer here, and Matt is our ISO and compliance specialist. Today, we're going to talk about Collavate and how we were recently ISO certified, thanks to Matthew, and why it may be important for you to also be ISO certified. So my first question to you, Matt, is going to be, what is an ISO certification?
Oh, that's pretty simple. Basically, an ISO certification is a certification that proves that your company is focused on its quality management system. It was designed to prove that a company's ability to consistently provide products and services that meet customer and regulatory requirements. At the same time, it also proves that the company is very focused on continuous improvement.
Very nice. I feel like we here at Collavate are focused on that.
Yeah, absolutely.
So, I know we're a software company, who else can be ISO certified?
Pretty much anybody who has a focus on the quality of their end product will benefit from being ISO certified. So any company that has any kind of level of quality assurance or quality control.
Very cool. And Matt, what are some of the important things to keep in mind when we're talking about creating a quality management system for ISO?
Sure. It'll be different for every company, but the steps to set it up are about the same. You want to define your scope and interested parties. You want to define your departmental processes, and you'll want to define your quality objectives. Once you have all those defined, you'll then be able to find, document, and resolve nonconformances, and you'll be using the PDCA cycle for that: Plan, Do, Check, Act.
Wow. It sounds like ISO involves a lot of documentation of processes and, kind of making sure that everyone's doing their performed task and doing it in the way they should be.
Sure.
Yeah? It seems like Collavate also helped you out quite a bit with the creation of our ISO management system.
Oh yeah, definitely.
So it seemed, if I remember correctly, you were using our version history a lot and the document manager to keep everything organized. I know when we were going through our audit, I went through our version histories of our documents to make sure that we had an actual paper trail for all of the creation of the process definitions and the creation of all of the documents that we use.
That's right. Basically, the documents were kept really nicely while they were in progress in the Collavate Drive folders, and then our workflow approval allowed everybody to review and approve or review and reject with commentary on how the document should be edited. Basically, we used tiered workflow templates, and it allowed for a bunch of people to review things all in a specific order before it reached our final approver and senior management. It was really great because as we were editing the documents, it was like we were having a conversation inside the document. So once we got to the final version, it just got transferred to the document manager, and we were also able to prove each and every change along the way.
Very nice. So it seems like that workflow tool was also another important piece. I know we talked about the PDCA cycle a little bit earlier, and I know that leadership is at the very center of that, making sure that they have the final say and the final review.
That's right.
So using Collavate to set up those tiered workflows was a pretty important part of the process.
Yeah, absolutely.
Well, Matt, thank you so much for being here with me today and taking time out of your busy day.
Sure.
And thank you all for doing the same. We appreciate you watching this video. And we'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.
Take care.